I'm not making this video because I don't see hardly any videos about a rear end on a King Quad 750. So I figured I'd kind of show you guys what it takes to take it apart. I've already taken out both axle seals on both sides, but anyway, and this is on an 08 King Quad 750. For any of you guys that are curious. Now I have already taken this apart. Already taken it apart, cleaned it for the most part. There was Loctite on all these, so got just some blue thread locker. Put it back together with. All these bolts here are 12s. At least all those are 12s. Then these two bigger ones here, 14s. Try to stay semi-organized. Couple little pads right here you can kind of pry on. And there's that. On this big end there, 3 shims. Keep up with those. On this other end, it does come apart, but anyway, I think there's like 1 shim on that other side, so don't lose them. Anyway, it's kind of your inner workings there. Here, just a second. Now we'll take this brake apart so you can kind of get a look at that. And all these bolts here on the front for the brake are 12 millimeter. Whenever I took this off first time, I had this brake piece out. But anyway. Those, not sure if they had their locker on them or not, but they're gonna get it, so have to take that off, I believe. Nope, they're not allowed. Anyway, just kind of the inner workings on your brake. Got that gasket there too. Just brake whenever I took it apart for the first time. It definitely confused me, but it's really not that difficult once you look at it. There are all these little balls. Whenever your brake turns, it rotates and pushes these plates together. It's basically like it's like a little clutch pack. But anyway, maybe that helps some people. You kind of have an idea if you were to tear one apart, you know kind of what it looks like inside anyhow. But yeah, whenever you reinstall this in there, make sure, let me look, I believe it's this side with those down, because if not, if they're facing up, they'll hit this gasket and it just won't ever go in right, won't be happy. But yeah, and I'll probably do an install video of the rear diff, because I have not found one of the vent being removed, so I figure that might help somebody too. But we'll see.